So damn cold in my lab, I was dreading taking my gloves off for this video. Here's a quick little pro tip. If you got stringing on a model, like if it's major or minor, you can usually just take like a lighter and just run it along the stringing and it will just vaporize it pretty much instantaneously, which is kind of cool. Anyway, that's just a little pro tip. This is a travel hanger that I made with a updated version. Like this is the 2.0 of my zipper hinge. And let me just show you how this works. First of all, if you're gonna put one of these hangers together, you know, intuitively you might think, oh, snap it in this position, but no, it actually works better to snap it in the reverse position. Let me take my glasses off so I can actually see what the hell I'm doing, because I'm getting so damn old I can't see anymore. Yeah, so anyway, the reason it works better like this is because, let me see how there's a little notch there, and also on the other side of the zipper there's like a little ridge there, so the ridge basically slips into that little notch, and that allows you to position the hinges without even getting to pushing them together. And then it's actually pretty easy once you get them all positioned to, just like with a zipper, you just want to do them one section at a time, just like that. And you can, there's a little bit of flex. You just push the one on the opposite side away until you get it to interact. And now these hinges, like many 3D printed hinges, the tolerances are pretty tight, so it takes a little bit of working them in to get them to perform optimally. But this hinge system is actually pretty robust. And because it's based on, here, let me show you. Because it's based on pyramids, it basically locks every 45 degrees, which is kind of a cool little beneficial feature. Now, the reason that it is designed like this is actually for print orientation purposes, so that it prints super strong and efficiently, but it has that added benefit. And for this hanger in particular, that's ideal because you basically want it to lock in two of the 45 degree positions. The inner position so that it stays in its closed compact form, and then the outer position so that it stays rigid when you're hanging close. Okay, so let me just demo this one more time. Like, just imagine you're doing a zipper. First you want to line up the groove and ridge. Ugh. Come on, get your act together here. Yeah. Yeah, so you line those up. This is hard to do when I'm looking through a camera, honestly. It's really not that hard. I'm making it so much harder than it needs to be. So yeah, once you line those up, then you just work it in one at a time. I really love this filament, by the way. It's 3D Innovators filament. And like I said, you just kind of push on either side of those to get the zipper to engage. It's not as hard as it probably looks. So yeah, anyway, just like that, and then you have a full size clothes hanger that you can use in your closet. And then when you want to put it in your suitcase or whatever, just snap it like that, and it'll stay together. So yeah, anyway, this is on printables, and it's a free model, although I branded it. I created this little, come on, you can do it, ultra minimal version of my logo here, which is not focusing on very well. But yeah, really minimal optimized geometry that I think is kind of cool. Anyway, yeah, you can download and print. Takes like an hour to print. It uses about 25 grams of filament. Thanks for watching.